Racing just started. We have You Got It All. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside. Manila's Gem. Sexy Eyes. Princess Julian. Euromax Fire. Prince 5 o'clock. Money for up. Then followed over by Far Beyond. While Prince Dugo is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have You Got It All by about 3/4 of a length lead. Sexy Eyes in second. Manila's Gem is racing in third. Euromax comes next. Money for Parvian, Princess Julian. Then followed over by Fire Prince 5 o'clock, while Prince Dugo is still racing last. We got You Got It All by our length and a half. Manila's Gem still in second. Coming closer now in third is Euromax, running by the rail. Sexy Eyes far beyond. Money for Princess Julian. Then comes Fire Prince. Next online is 5 o'clock, while Prince Dugo is still racing less. And they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Manila's Gem. Moving up on the outside is Euromax. You Got It All is running by the rail with about 100 meters of the race. We have Manila's Gem, Euromax on the outside. Manila's Gem followed by Euromax in second, and finally it's Manila's Gem, Euromax, You Got It All. Then comes Fire Prince and Far Beyond.
Yeah.